Hi. So, Brawlhalla has like a new mobile. I think I registered. Yeah, I registered already. I did it, but I recorded this video, but it didn't have audio, so I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, follow the Brawlhalla Discord channel. I'll put the website if I can. Can I? Hold on. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. Yeah, it's a good thing. So yeah, make sure to follow. You can have your 1v1s there. It's kind of good. So Brawlhalla, August 6th, iOS and Android. I'm on iOS, so I've done it already. When you register, there should be like, yeah. It's 6 August. Well, it says on 2nd August, but I registered already, of course. Yeah. It's cool. I'll play the trailer. So obviously it looks sick. I'm just gonna wait. Can I use this? I'm gonna use this for thumbnail. So yeah, obviously, my classmates and I are already hype. So yeah, this is definitely a big thing for BMG because it's like it's going on every single platform, like Xbox, PC, mobile, PS4, computer, of course. Yeah, and NS too. So yeah, it's really hype. I hope Brawlhalla can like be exposed to others in the Steam community. It's very underrated. So yeah. Yeah, that's about it for this video. It's just a recap. So yeah, have a good weekend. I'm very sorry for not uploading. I have some work to do, but bye.